you are still worried, we have a free licensed bar in the reception area where you board. There you can get yourself tea, coffee, beers, wines, spirit bridge. Look to your right, you'll see the large concrete construction with the big illuminated billboard. This is our National Theatre. It's one of the finest theatres you'll find anywhere in the places to eat and drink, activities for the children, art galleries, markets, plates all over Europe. Ahead of us we can see the Tower Road Bridge, the gateway to London. The Tower Bridge was completed in 1894. Beefeaters. The Tower of London is one of London's oldest buildings, but also one of London's best. Just to now please remain in their seats until we are safely moored alongside the pier. This is for your own comfort and indeed your own safety. I'll give you some information about our tickets today. Any passengers on board with Tower tickets of any kind, this is where you leave the boat. If you're returning back to Westminster, you catch your next returning boat from here to Westminster as your guide. You can, as you leave the boat, my colleague will be standing by the exit in the old Thames traditional manner with the captain's champagne ice bucket. Please remember, of course, you're under absolutely no obligation whatsoever to put any money in that bucket. It's completely voluntary on your behalf. There had been a fish market on that site for more than 900 years.